Hey folks, Mr. Tully, wrapping up the $500 hunting rifle. Look at it. Ain't it purty? Alright, so the quick rundown is, I saw these on my gun dealer's site, one of the local gun shops that I go to. I was looking, I decided I was going to do this project with the $500 hunting rifle. I was thinking I was going to build something like a 270 or a 243. I wasn't sure what I was going to build. They are two popular calibers for deer, at least in Minnesota. Northern region, you got to use slugs down here. But for up north, they're popular calibers. So I couldn't decide which one I wanted. In the end, I just bought them both. I knew I was gonna get a Savage. I wasn't sure which Savage it was gonna be, till I saw these were like 199 bucks. They were cheap. So I said, you know, for that kind of money, I was expecting to spend $350, and I knew I could pull it off on a $350 rifle. I could pull off a $500 hunting rifle with a decent scope on it. So, if I call it $250 on the rifle, because I bought two of them, and I know it was under 500 bucks out the door. I couldn't find the receipt, so I don't exactly remember. I've been sitting on these for quite a while, so I don't know where it is. But I do know that it was under 250 bucks for the rifle. The scope, that was 125 bucks. I am reasonably sure I got that on Amazon. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty, maybe not. Maybe I got it on Midway. Might have been Midway. Can't remember for sure. But I got free shipping on it. Didn't have to pay any tax, so I don't know. Even if I did, I paid, it was 125 bucks regardless. So, and the rings and the rail, the rail is a Warren. It's a steel rail. I would have used a two-piece aluminum, or I wanted the steel. I don't like aluminum rails. I think they flex. There's about probably 2.5, 3 inches in the middle there that can flex, and I don't care for it, but it's a me thing altogether. So anyway, it's a steel rail. I liked it. I've had worn rails before and rings, and they've always been good. So I went with a steel one. The rings are also steel. They're Weaver, and I showed that all in the video, how to true your rings. And I do have the Weaver scope ring truing set to true all that up and check how true your rings are and all that. I have all that stuff. A lot of people don't have it. You know, it's what, 100 bucks for the kit. If you're gonna do a lot of scopes, get the kit. If you do a lot of scopes, I bought the kit, and I've probably done a dozen scopes, you know, because my buddies bring their crap over here too. So I got it, I do it. They pay me a couple bucks. I don't drink, so they don't bring me beer. They pay me a couple bucks. So I mount scopes. Yeah, so all together, I totaled everything up. It's 465 bucks into the $500 hunting rifle project. So we came in under budget and get a nice sling. I'm not going to count the bipod because I'm not hunting with a bipod. It's just not going to happen. I'll put a nice sling on it. I should someday show how I stabilize. I'll hunt with a tree. And anybody that's hunted before knows that you can take your rifle and I'll set like this and stabilize on a tree with my hand up against a tree, and I'll stabilize that way. and just like this, and be nice and stable, and take my shot. Anyway, if you're looking to, want to make yourself an inexpensive hunting rifle, I like the Savages. The one thing I did notice between both of these rifles is there's almost a 2-pound difference in the trigger pull on these. This has got about a 2.5, and that one's probably about a 4.5. I don't know why. Same rifle, basically. It's 270 and a 243. So, Anyway, y'all stay safe. God bless. We will catch you in the next video. Thanks for sticking with me through this whole project. If you got any questions about any of it, please leave them in the comments. I do read every comment. I try to reply to every comment. I even reply to the nasty ones, and I leave them there. So, it is what it is. Yeah. So there you go. We'll get with you in the next video, I guess. Take care. Bye for now.